Hi everyone, welcome back to WinEnglish. Speak with confidence, win with English. Okay, in today's video, we will be learning about English idiom. I will be teaching you 5 common English idioms that native speakers usually use in their daily life. As you know that you can improve your English speaking and make your English more fluent and creative by using idioms. Okay, the first idiom that we will be learning today is break the ice. This idiom means to start a conversation and to make people feel more comfortable. You can use that when you meet someone new or when you are in a new group, for example, so you can break the ice. It doesn't have relation to ice at all. Yeah. For example, to break the ice in my English class, I ask my students to introduce themselves. Okay, so you can do the same. For example, you are in a new group or you meet some new people, you can break the ice with them. Yeah, okay. The second idiom is hit the books. To hit the books means to study hard. Usually people use this idiom when they talk about when they are preparing of exams, for example. Yeah. For example, I have an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight. Yeah. When you are having exams or tests and you really need to study hard, you can use this idiom perfectly. Okay. The third is call it a day. I think this one is quite popular and maybe some of you already know what does it mean by call it a day. Yeah, to call it a day means to stop working because you are done. So the situation is usually like when you are working on something and then you are done, you are finished, you say, let's call it a day. Yeah. For example, we've been working for hours. Let's call it a day. So you stop working and maybe you can continue again tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. The next idiom is under the weather. This one is also popular. So under the weather means you're feeling sick. So instead of just saying like I'm sick, I'm not feeling well, you can try using I'm a bit under the weather. Yeah. This will make your English more creative, more natural, and sounds like a native. So when you are sick, you can perfectly use this idiom. For example, I'm a bit under the weather, so I'm staying home. I don't go to campus today because I'm under the weather. Yeah, so it means you are sick. Okay, the last idiom for today is piece of cake. Piece of cake. Yeah. Piece of cake doesn't have any relation to cake. Yeah. But piece of cake means something that is very easy. Easy. Yeah. When you want to describe something that, in your opinion, it is easy for you, you can use this one. For example, the English test was a piece of cake for me. Yeah. So you can use that to describe something that you think it is very easy. Okay. So today we have learned 5 common English idioms that native speakers usually use in their daily conversation. There are break the ice, hit the book, call it a day, under the weather, and piece of cake. Now it's your turn to make sentences using one of the idioms that I mentioned previously in the comment down below so that you can practice your English. Yeah? Okay, you can comment down below if you have any questions related to these idioms or maybe other idioms that you're curious about. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!